You. I see you. You in the background. Come here. Hello, everybody. I'm the Fire Lord, and we're going to do step by step for how to make a YouTube channel for beginners. First of all, you're gonna want to go and look up YouTube. Okay, once you are there, go ahead and click on YouTube. First thing you want to do is go to the top right corner and sign in with your Gmail account to get you started. All right, once you are in, you're gonna go back to the top right corner and you're gonna click on your profile. You're gonna view your channel. Is where you get to see your YouTube channel. You're gonna want to click your customized channel right here. And this is where you go to be able to actually customize your YouTube channel. So like your background, the profile picture, and your name. You can also see other things, analytics, but we'll get that into another video if you guys want to see that. But once you get your name and your profile picture customized, you can go back to your YouTube channel, and this is where you can start uploading. You're probably wondering, how do I make a video? Well, let me tell you. You're either just going to go ahead, grab your phone, get your camera on, and then you can start actually recording. You can upload anything of you talking, doing anything like that. So push record, and you can be like, yo, what's up, homies? How's it going? Anyway, so just like that. Once you are done, stop your recording. Another thing real quick, if you are on a desktop, you could go to the link in the description. It's a recording software, OBS Studio. Click the link and it'll come up with, Windows, Mac, whatever type of computer you got. Go ahead and click it, add it to it, and it'll start downloading. You see that right up at the top? It'll start downloading. If you guys want to see another video on OBS, on the type of stuff that I use, the settings and stuff like that, I can make another video if you guys want that. So, but at this point, let's go back to your YouTube channel. And once you're done recording, you're going to want to figure out how to upload that. So you're going to go up to the top right corner again, push create, and go to upload. And then you click select file, find that video. So once you get to this page right here, you're going to want to put a cool catchy title like dog licking my leg or something like that. Thing you want. Put in the description you want, make it nice, cool. You can also go to the thumbnail tab, create a photo to just take a picture of yourself or anything like that. Once you're done with that step, this for the playlist, if you want to use that, put it as a playlist. I recommend if you got anything that is safe for kids, I would click yes, but if you have cursing and all that fun stuff, click no. Age restriction, I usually push no, but if it's like something that, you don't need to do the paid promotion until you have like sponsorships and stuff like that. Altered content, hopefully you don't, but just push no. They have a new thing, collaboration. You can invite as a collabor. Automatic chapters, this is where you can put it in the description. Like intro, body 1, body 2, and then your outro, conclusion, and then time frame it. But if you want the automatic one, you could do that. It kind of sucks, but you could do that. I would just click no on these two, the feature place, the automatic concepts. Just do that. Tags 3 to 6 on whatever your niche is. Languages, all that fun stuff. The recording date, you could just click, say like today, October 6th, or the day that you record it. Standard and creative YouTube, Creative Commons. For the license, I would just do the creative. I've always been doing that. Whatever your video is about, either entertainment, education, gaming. Say like this one is just a test video, so you could do like entertainment. If you do gaming, you can put the title of the game that you're playing and make it as accurate as you can. Leave comments on basic for the moderation, as in like the inappropriate comments or So once you're done with this, go ahead and go to the next one. Video elements will be like your subtitles. End screen, which is clickable video that you at the end of the video, and it won't show you, but I will show you in another time. Add a card, which no one uses it very often. It's always in the top right corner. If I say something like, hey, go to the top right corner and check out this video, it'll pop up. Once you're done with that, go to checks, see if you have any copyrighted songs or anything like that, and it'll let you know right here. So it'll say no issues found. And then once you go over there, this is where you can start figuring out whether if you want to schedule it or if you just want to publish it or keep it private or unlist it. What I recommend is unlisting it and wait for like 2 hours to let the YouTube algorithm go through your video, and it'll find the right people for the niche that you're uploading. It'll find those people with that niche and it'll draw that in. So leave it for like 2 hours on the unlisted. Right now I'm going to put it on private because it is a video that I'm not going to be uploading. And then once you're done, save, let it sit there for like 2 hours, come back to it and put it as public. And that's basically it. So this has been how to make a YouTube channel for beginners. Good luck to you all, brand new content creators onto this YouTube platform. I wish the best for you. So thank you guys for watching this video. This is all the time I have for this video. Check out some links in the description down below. I have a new link if you want to get yourself or your father a gift. Check out the frolk.com/Firelord. And with the use of 10% coupon code, use Firelord to get yourself 10% off. What it is, it's a whiskey glass and decanter set. If you want a whiskey glass by itself, you do that. They're really cool. Go check it out. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.